Hello, civil engineers. Welcome back to the lecture. So what we'll do now, quickly we'll try to link these activities. It isn't linked anywhere. So how do you link it? It's very simple. We can do the auto linking, okay? So what I'll do is I'll select like this, all the activities up to here. Go to the option called as task. The option called as link. Click on that. So it will be linked. So this has to be linked with this one. Select this two. Go to task and link it. Okay, good. So up to here it's done. So you can even increase the duration also. Try to increase, give certain durations. Any duration is fine. Okay. Say okay, whatever error let it come, give the durations and all. Yeah. Starter concrete, earthwork. Earthwork will start. Yeah. That's it. No? Yeah. See, whenever you get this question mark, that means here one day I haven't given how many days. So I'll increase this to 2 days. Now it will be fine. This error is gone. Okay. So in the same way, uh, again, what shall I do? Yeah. So again, we'll connect it. We'll connect this also. Connect like this. Go to task and go to link it. Okay, fine. So here, increase the date also. Randomly, you can give any date. I'm doing it. Yeah. And this activity you have to link backfilling and PCC will happen when the what is anyhow you can give any link. We link it to 13FS just for understanding purpose. We're just linking it. Okay, so many activities are there not required. Up to here it's enough. Hmm? So 36 duration is there. Substructure work is done. So again, why this question mark is coming? The reason is that all these things here is a question mark, right? So here you haven't given any proper duration here. So that is why it's reflecting here. But for the substructure, earlier there was a question mark coming. The reason was that here I had not given any days, right? So in the substructure part, foundation, column up to plinth beam, and plinth beam was there. So from earthwork to this, everywhere the duration is given. So how many days is required? 36 days. How did I come to know? 11 plus 14 comes out to be 25. 25 plus 16, 35. How much it is? So 11. So 14 plus 11 is 25, right? Yeah, 25. So 35. It should be 41 no, then. Why it's not coming? Maybe yeah, some links, some link we are not connected. I feel that is why it's not showing. Earthwork should have come. No, wait. Yeah. So I given the activities. So this is fine. I think this particular thing, the substructure were 42 days. It's not reflecting. I don't know why. Let me check it out in the next lecture and I'll update you. Because 15 plus 16 is 31. 31 plus 16 should come out to be 46, 46, 47 days. But it's coming only 42 days. So I don't know why it's coming like that. We'll check that in the later, but not an issue. Okay. Anyhow, now you come to the right side. Okay. Now try to understand this entire concept. So what I'll do, see right now, if I come here, okay, it's not looking good, no? I mean, few of my activities are coming here, half of the activities are going the right side. So I want all this Gantt chart to be seen in one particular shot. So what I'll do, I'll right click here, go to the option, so right click here, go to the option called as zoom. Okay, you have to keep your mouse here, right click, go to the option called as zoom. Here, go to the option called as entire project and say okay. So now you can see entire project, you can see it here. Got it? Now what is these things? So you need to understand all these things. So this is the start of the project. This is start and this is the end portion. Okay, start and end. So yeah, fine. So now you see here this Kamath commercial building. So under the Kamath commercial building, all the things are coming, isn't it? From start to the end, up to third floor, from A block to the third floor, last this shuttering, all the things are coming under Kamath commercial building. So the same thing you can see here. So this is the start of the Kamath commercial building. This is the end of that. Okay. Under this only, under this you can see all these activities. Under this, this is the last line. Under this only all the activities are coming, right? So how did it come? Because that is what we had given, work breakdown structure. So this is called a summary task. I'll write it here. It's called as a summary task. Got it? Yeah, good. Now after that, next is what? A block. So this A block, you see here, it is starting from here. This is your A block. This also will go up to here. So this A block is coming under Kamath commercial building. So this is Kamath commercial building. The second line is your A block. Now come to the third point. What is that? Substructure work. Now again, substructure work also will start from this date. It will go to this date. Okay. See the date. 30 October, 30 October, 30 October. End is 26, 26, 26. So 30, 30, 30. End is 26. So that is why all the things are in the same line. Only the thing is, this is your Kamath commercial building line. This is your A block. Under that, your substructure work will come. Understood? Now come to the fourth point, foundation. The foundation, it is starting from 30 October and it will go until 17th November. So this is your 30 October, this line. And this is 15, isn't it? So this is your 17th November line. Got it? Got it? Simple. Now, under the foundation, what all is happening? Earthwork is happening, PCC is happening, reinforcement, formwork, and concreting. So this is your earthwork. Okay. Then this is your PCC. This is your reinforcement. This is your form work. And this is your concreting work. Isn't that all these things are falling under? So it's starting like this. And this is the end of that summary task. So all the activities are coming under this, isn't it? Earthwork, then we have PCC, we have reinforcement, we have form work, we have concrete for footing. Understood how it's going, how we are going to read it? So again, by looking at this, you can understand everything is finished to start. That means only after this activity, that is which activity? Earthwork is finished, we'll start with the PCC. Only after the PCC is finished, only after the PCC is finished, we'll start with the reinforcement. Only after the reinforcement is finished, we'll start with the formwork. Only after the formwork is finished, we'll start with the concrete for footing. Understood the concept? So this is how the interlinking is done. After that, next is what? Column up to plinth beam. Again, this is a summary task. So this is your column up to plinth beam, which will start from here. It will go up to here. So why it is starting from here? Because the date is 20 November. So 20 November will be somewhere here, like this. Okay, this one. Understood? Now, under the column up to plinth beam, what all things are coming? Starter concrete. So this is your starter concrete. This one, small portion. Then reinforcement. This is your reinforcement. Then take 1 minute. So starter concrete. Yeah, this is your starter concrete. Then this is your reinforcement work. This is your reinforcement work. Then after that, this is your form work. And the last one is which one? Concrete up to pedestal, this one. So from inside this only all things are happening from this side to inside this. This is a summary task, right? Understood the concept? So in this way, you can visualize, you can check your this thing bar chart here. So all the activities will fall in between to this activity. So wherever you get this straight line, isn't it like this? So this line is called as a summary task. Got it? So this particular line, whatever you have, it's called as a summary task. Understood the concept? Here I did not do the interlinking, so that is why it's showing like this. But wherever there is a summary task, like first floor, this is a summary. You can see this is a summary task is created here. Understood the entire logic? Good. Now, if I right click here, and if I go to the time scale, not this one. If I right click here, and if I go to the bar style, previously I had told you one thing, that previously, what did I tell? I told you only about the task option, isn't it? Later, we did not speak about the split milestone and all. Now we have this. This is called as summary task. You can see here summary, and you can see this particular pattern. The same pattern is followed here. Got it? So this is summary. Now click on the summary. Come to the this thing. What is that? How to change it? Yeah. Come to the summary. Now you come to this one. If you want to change the shape of this, you can change it now. So I'll keep it like this. End also I'll keep it like this. Got it? And middle let it be like this only, not an issue. Color, if you want to change, I'll say color, you give red color to the start, you give red color to the end, and middle portion will make it little green in color. Okay, and I'll say okay. So can you see this now? Summary task. What happened? I went and changed the summary task from there. Now you understood the concept. Okay, so whatever lines you can see it now here, if I right click, go to bar style, and then if I click on summary, and you can see this is a pattern what I've given. If you don't want, come here, change everything from here. Understood the concept? Good. Now we'll come to the last concept here. So the last concept is about the level. Go to the task. I hope at least this much understanding is done. Go to the task option. This option, not task. Go to the view option. So in the view, there is option called as yeah. Go to the view option. In the view, there is option called as outline. Click on the outline. So here, show subtask, not this one. Hide subtask. Okay, all task. Okay, go to level 1. See, so what you are supposed to do? Go to the view option. In the view, go to the outline option. Go to the level 1. So this is level 1 schedule. That means Kamath commercial building. This is level 1. Somebody asked you, Akshay, show me the level 2 task. So level 2. So come here, go to level 2. So what happened? Under the Kamath commercial building, there was a block. Suppose if there was B block also, then and if I had given a B block, then even B block would have come on inside this. Simple. Now, tell me what is level 3 schedule you have? Level 3. In the A block, we had substructure work and we had superstructure work. Good. This is level 3. Come to level 4. So, and exactly under the substructure, we had foundation, we had column up to plinth beam, we had plinth beam. In the superstructure work, we had ground floor, we had first floor, we had second floor. Show me the level 4 schedule. So this is level 4. Show me the level 5 schedule. Good. Under the foundation, we had earthwork, PCC, reinforcement, formwork, concrete. Then under the column up to plinth beam, we had starter concrete, reinforcement, formwork. Plinth beam, we had this one. Then under the ground floor, we had column up to roof beam, starter concrete, reinforcement. And then first floor, we had this one. Second floor, we had this one. Understood? So this is called as level. Okay. Now, up to which level we finished? Level 5, I finished. Now, if I click on level 6, there's no change. If I click on level 7, there's no change. If I click on level 8, there's no change. So what do you mean by this? That means my work breakdown structure, whatever I had done, I did up to level 5, right? Or level 4. Level 5. So my work breakdown structure, whatever I had done, it was a level 5 schedule, level 5 breakdown, what I had. Further, if you want to do, you can do it. I'll show that in the next lecture, how it has to be done. So now understand the concept. Okay. Your boss told you, show me, prepare a level 2 schedule. So what is that level 2 schedule? This is a level 2 schedule. Kamath commercial building, A block. Your boss told you, prepare a level 3 schedule. Click on level 3. So in the A block, we have substructure and superstructure. Then somebody told you, your boss told, go and show me a level 4 schedule. So this is level 4 schedule. Understood the concept? So this is like a bird eye view. That is Kamath commercial building is a bird eye view. Finish. You're seeing from the top. Now, if you want to go inside that, come to the level 2, A block. Then if you want to go even more into that, come to the level 3. Even if you want to go more into that, level 4. Got it? So this is how you're supposed to understand it. Now, there are two things which you need to understand. One is micro level. One is called as macro level. Macro level. The second is called as micro level. Micro level. So this macro level is a higher one. Your level 1 is a macro level, which I say which is less. Okay, which is a less level. And micro level is a last level. So here in the MS project, the last level is level 9, isn't it? Level 9. But it depends on what level you are creating. In your project or whatever building you're taking, if level 5, if you have done a level 5 schedule, then level 5 is a last level for you, which is a micro level. But in the MS project, by default, only level 9 is available. And this is called as the which level? If it is less level, this is more level. Okay, more level, or you can call this as more detailing. More detailing. And here it is less level, or you can call this as a less detailing. You can note it down, all these things. Yeah. Understood the concept? Yeah. So micro level means you're going in depth, and macro level means from the top you're seeing. In the macro level, it's like a first level or second level. So the detailing is very less. In the micro level, you'll be in the last level. So in the MS project, the last level is level 9. But if you're doing a work breakdown, it depends up to you. What is a last level that you have, whether it is level 4 or level 5. And it has more level or it has more detailing. Simple. Now, understand one thing. In the outline, if I go to level 5, this is the last schedule what I have. So is there level 6? No, it's not moving. So What I'll do in the next lecture, I'll teach you for this particular thing how I can make a level 6 schedule here. Okay. So practice up to here. I think most of the concepts here I've explained you. So now again, it's not looking correctly. You have to do right click, go to the zoom option, go to the entire project and say okay. So everything will fall in a single window. And this is summary task. I taught you how to change all the, this thing, the pattern and all, you can make use of it. And you understood all this concept and all. Okay. So this is summary task. Under that, all these activities will fall. Yeah, great. So practice up to here. Try to interlink the activities and all. And one thing is about this days. I don't know why it's not activated. Maybe I'll check into that, and maybe in the next lecture or maybe in after a couple of lectures, I'll update you why this is not updating, because 15 plus 16 is 31. 31 plus 16 should come out to be how much? 47, right? But it is 42. It's showing 42 here. I don't know where that 5 is missing out. Why is that 5 days missing out? Let me check it out. Okay. Yeah. So we'll see you back in the next lecture.